Hello everyone and welcome back to another live stream. Today we are streaming Asian session. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a top-down analysis. Do you want to hear me or should I just and
Yeah, we want to hear you.
alright, so I'm gonna share my screen.
Yeah,
Yep, so we can see on the weekly. Wait, let's do it on the gold chart. It's much clear there. So on the weekly we can see that we've been moving bearish for about 2 weeks. We are going for this support area right here, this huge support area, and we have a wick fill to the left hand side, possibly, but not like a guaranteed wick fill. And we can also create a support right about here from where price is rejecting at the moment. So we can create a support and keep moving to the upside for the next weeks. It depends
for
on,
the all-time high.
yeah, depends on the rate, on the Fed rate. So you guys can hear me on, you can hear yourselves on YouTube, or it's not there?
Let me check. Can what's that for YouTube too?
Yep, so just let me continue the top-down analysis for YouTube and then we can fix it. So I was saying that on the daily also it looks like we created a very weak bearish candle. It's actually bullish, so it's a doji candle which indicates like a huge rejection and change of the direction, and it also broke the previous daily high, but it didn't break the previous daily low. So I believe our direction is bullish for the day currently, unless something change or it breaks this previous daily low. And on the 4 hour we can see like a lot of choppiness. That's very ugly range. We've been in this range for about 2 days now, almost 3 days in this range, just consolidating, waiting for the Fed rate cut on this 4 hours. So we don't have a top wick, so probably there's a high chance price will go create a top wick and then it will keep pushing down, or just create a top wick and keep moving up. And on the 1 hour we have a very clear resistance right here, and a clear support right there at 4997.5. Let's adjust our numbers. 85, okay, that's not bad. I think 5007 is a really good psychological number. And if we look to the left hand side, there's been some rejections from this level previously. So now on the 30-minute we are currently in this range. We are gonna wait for some sort of breakout away from this range and we are gonna look for some trades, but I think buys would be nice depending on the higher time frame uh, direction. Buys above closure. Yep, and sells also doesn't look bad at all, I think, below this area. Below here on the, if the 1 hour could close below this area, it will be really nice. Otherwise 30-minute will close below there. Looks much better. 4995. Yep, that's perfect. I think everything is set up. So now the easy part is done. Now the hard part, which is just waiting. Yes. Now we are waiting, guys. So you could hear this. Could you hear this on YouTube, or there is no sound?
Yeah, we could hear this on YouTube.
I mean your voice. Your voice is your sound.
Well, our voice, I think no.
Okay.
Because we don't say anything.
Maybe now you said something.
What's your YouTube name, bro?
Alright, so I will send the link in the group also if you are interested.
No, just send me directly because you could also ban by the board.
It's just the YouTube link. I send it in the chat. So I think there is 2 more people that wants to join. I will let them in.
Yeah, we can hear ourselves on the YouTube too, brother.
Okay, that's not bad. So if maybe you guys have something useful to share, and it would be nice. You are on YouTube, maybe you will be famous sometime soon.
Very soon.
Yep.
Very soon we'll be very famous for our live streams.
Yeah.
Trades.
Possibly, why not? Everything is possible in this life, my friend.
Yeah, everything's possible, brother.
So it looks like gold. Yeah, gold is breaking above. But you can see here there is some choppiness.
That's the question.
Some choppiness to the left hand side. This is 70 pips, 90 and 100. So I think we just need a nice closure. It's not overextended or something. Maybe a nice closure on the 30, which will give us good confirmation, because on the 30 I believe we have a clean range to 5017, or even it can just keep going up for till 520. So because of the daily look, the daily it closed very weak, bearish, and I mean a doji candle, and now created a bottom wick. So it looks like it wants to go up to fill this week for about 370 pips. Oh yeah, it's moving. It's really moving. So also in the lower time frame, if you see some candles like these concurrent candles without a bottom wick, this indicates that we have a very high bullish volume, that price cannot even create a bottom wick because of the high bullish volume. So on these 2 candles, 1 and 2, that means we have very high bullish volume. Yeah, almost 90 pips. Wow.
Price is moving crazy.
Yep.
Almost 80-90 pips. Wow, man. crazy.
Yeah. So this is also good. It could be just grabbing liquidity to move down, or if we got a nice closure, so we'll probably anticipate the move to the upside. Let's check the Nasdaq. Nasdaq also looks like it wants to break above here.
Nasdaq is a pure consolidation. It's into the
Yeah.
range of death.
Yep.
But if we do get a breakdown or breakout on Nasdaq, it's
Mhm.
looking pretty good too.
Yeah. So any of you guys have been trading the Nasdaq?
Yeah,
So how is it with you? Do you think it's the same price action as gold, or it's a little bit?
yeah, it's same, but its move are little bit different. Like after NYSE,
Mm-hmm.
it's good price action, but current at NYSE, it's like just pure mad price action. It can go anywhere.
Oh yeah. And I
Like
think
on
it's more.
NYSE open,
It moves
it will be
more
quite active.
impulsively, more than gold.
Yeah,
Like look at these candles. No bottom wick, and it just moved. No top wick as well. So I believe if this we got a closure on the 15, I think I will be anticipating these buys if we got a nice closure, because it looks like we rejected from this area like more than 3 times. Here 1, 2, 3.
yeah,
This is the fourth time that we are rejecting from this support area.
yeah.
So yeah, I think I will be taking buys if the 15-minute candle closed above nicely. We also can see here previously, look, this candle closed and it moved to the upside about 100 pips. And also here, this is a second closure, it moved more than 100 pips. Also this one moved about 140 pips. Yeah, so I will be anticipating this 15 minute if we got a nice closure above. Yeah,
Okay.
I think we will be good to go. But it should leave a nice top wick. We need a nice top wick, and retest from this area would be perfect.
Okay. But don't you think like it's pretty overextended and the rejection on the left hand side around 500 sorry 5022 level the VIX,
Mm-hmm.
it will create problem for price to go up, and since we are into
Yeah, so I think we should be, if price reached to 5 to 20, we should be securing something right here, and stops already will be at break even. Whenever price tap this area, we should secure and price
okay,
at break even.
yeah, but what about like extended overextended,
Overextended, so
yeah,
I
because
think it's
like
kinda overextended, you're right. Now I just saw it, and on
yeah,
the 30, this is, I think the third candle.
yeah,
Hold
it's far away
on.
from the support, that's why
Yeah, you're
I
right. So
need to do
probably
like
we need to wait for like a red candle
yeah, we
template.
need to wait for some market structure to form on the chart.
Mm-hmm.
So we can give our buys a try.
Yep, I think it will increase our probabilities as well if we waited for candle like this.
Only this candle we want. Yeah. This is one of the best candle. If we do
We
get
can
this on
get
the
it.
chart, I'm going to full port.
Yes.
I'm going to full port my.
Yes, you are absolutely right. But no full porting for today.
Tough market.
Yeah.
It's very tough. Job tough. Like you really need to have exercise patience a lot. Exercise patience, discipline,
Mm-hmm.
and otherwise you get pumped up very easily.
Yeah, definitely. So the issue with trading I'm facing now is that I've been going on like a long, really long winning streaks, but when like sometimes it comes to a day, if you have one bad day, it just erases all your profit, which is not a good thing.
Yeah.
This is the biggest issue about trading, I believe that everyone faces.
Yeah.
I think something like this. So if we can see something like this, it's much better. Look at this one. So it was a little bit overextended. Look at this move right here.
Yeah.
So price on the charts, it tends to do exactly what it did before. If it can create a support from this area right here, also will be nice, like this. So we got a breakout, the 15-minute candle closed above, then we had a red candle, and on the next breakout, on the next break away from the range, it just moved for about, I think it's 100 pips. Yeah, 100 something, 140 pips. Yeah, it's a little bit overextended, just a little bit. Yep.
So yesterday, what trades you took? Did you do your
Yesterday I actually took a one good trade and one bad trade, then it went down from there. Let me see. I will try to show you right here. I think it was, I think, oh, here, this one right there. From here, look.
okay?
Yeah.
You were looking for sales.
Yup, it looked like a really good impulse entry. Look at that. So price created the support. This is on the 30 minutes. Price created a resistance, sorry, and then we had this really beautiful impulse candle, and then price went down. It went for about 40 pips, and then boom, this was very quick move. It went down and just pumped up back again, and then later on created all this week and then just moved back down again.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I got stopped right there.
Okay. But
So what
I was
about?
also looking for this move.
Yeah.
So it created high first and broke the previous high, and
Mm-hmm.
then it broke lows of previous green candle.
Yeah.
So, like, what were you thinking at that point? Why were you like executing at that point? Because it already broke the high, then
Mm-hmm.
it's coming to broke low.
No, but it
Was
didn't. It didn't break this previous candle high. It just broke like its own high. It never broke this previous candle. So it first broke the low, went down 40 pips, and then it went back up. But I don't think anyone could secure something from these 40 pips because it was really quick. And yeah, 40 pips is not that. It's not even like a rejection area. It's here. So I was planning to secure right there at this support. Look, it's a very nice support area right here. So I think this trade is a really good trade, but just the probabilities was not on our side. That's all. So for example, if this strategy has 80% winning win rate, so this is the 20% of the loss. So you will get 80% winning trades and 20% losing trades. And I believe this trade was on the losing probability of our strategy.
yeah, it's a good trade.
Yeah,
We all guys were looking for that trade only.
exactly. So what about you? Did you take any trades yesterday?
No, no, no. I was looking for this London trade around. Well, it's my time zone, so how can you get that? Yeah, yeah, this one. Okay, let's go
Here?
for a breakdown. But okay, let's go for a breakdown. What I was looking. So we got this drop, this
Mm-hmm.
red candles. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, the red candles.
Yeah.
After the red candles, we got support
Uh-huh.
on the 15 minute. So I was looking for buys, but
Here
we
you
got
mean?
straight away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This after the
Uh-huh.
no bottom candle.
Yeah.
At that candle only, I was looking for buys
Hmm. Yeah, but
because we
would
broke
have
out
been
of
a
low.
good trade.
Yeah.
Would have been a good trade also. And we can
But
see
due
that
to low we didn't take.
it created a nice support.
No, no, no. Without bottom wick, I don't take trades that
Yes,
much.
man.
Nice. Sometimes I do take when it's high volume and I'm very confident
Mm-hmm.
about the setup, but it's not that much good setup, so I waited for bottom wick.
Yeah,
But it happens. Yeah.
that's
Just
very good decision
yeah,
that you did right there. Actually, it's also a win. Like not a winning trade, but it's a win scenario. Like because you didn't break
yeah,
your rules. So if you don't break your
yeah,
rules, it's actually considered a win.
yeah. And the same trade you were looking for sells, I was looking to,
Yeah.
but yeah, it just broke the highs and the stop loss was too big.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't took this one.
So it actually broke the highs and also broke the lows, but it first broke the lows and then went back to broke the highs. Yeah, but I think it's because of this choppiness here to the left hand
Yeah.
side. That's why it just didn't move, neither up or down. Yeah.
After this sell trade, which I didn't took, I
Mm-hmm.
just closed my PC
Yeah.
and
Man,
went for the deal.
it's always a good decision just to walk away from chart without a loss. This is the best decision you can ever make. It's just to walk away from the charts. It's never wrong. Like never. because every day there is a new opportunities. Every day we have,
Yeah.
yeah, opportunities.
If
So
you had a win, close your PC. If you had a loss, close your PC. That's it.
exactly,
Don't try to overtrade.
absolutely right. So while we are waiting, there was this book that I was reading recently. It's called Trading for a Living. So
Okay.
I was reading, and it have actually some really interesting. So can you see it on my screen or?
No, not showing anything.
Okay. Let me check. How can I open it?
Alexander Elder.
Yep,
Okay.
that's it.
So, have you read Trading in a Zone, the Forex Mindset?
Yes, actually, I have the book Trading in the Zone, and I'm reading it at the moment. I'm reading
Okay,
that book at
okay.
the moment.
Nice book. I already read that book.
Uh huh.
It's really nice book.
Yes, bro, it's really nice book, Trading in the Zone. But I believe it has a lot of stuffed words. Like there is like a lot of some unnecessary chapters.
Oh, unnecessary chapters.
Yes.
Yeah, they are. But
It talks in a very deep details, but I prefer like to get directly to the point. I am a simple guy, and I prefer simplicity.
yeah, I got your point. It's very over exaggerated.
Yeah, magic method gurus. I think I was
But the
reading
author
from the
just
first.
write a book, so that's why he over explains a lot to
Mm-hmm.
get the chapters.
Yeah, so I think it's shown on YouTube. Yeah, it's shown on YouTube that the book.
Yeah,
Undercapitalization, brain myth, fantasy. Yeah, so I reached this part here. The odds against you. So it says they have many ways of stealing money from customers. Some put their bad trades into your account and keep good trades for themselves. Who is he talking about? Oh, this is about slippage. Yeah. It just talks about how slippage affects your trading, and for example how, so you know that in trading, if you win, someone on the other side is losing money, and if you are losing money, someone on the other side is winning back this money, right?
yeah,
So here it says like if you are long $20 and the other person is short $20, someone will win like I think, wait, 13 and 7, but it's not 13 and 7, so the loser will lose 22 23, or yeah, and the winner will be winning 17. So there is some
yeah,
differences in this money which goes to the broker.
yeah.
Yeah, so it looks like gold grabbed some liquidity there, and it's moving now to the downside.
It close. Here is. Um, it's closing in the range, Pawan. So I'm not giving this trade like a try because it's back in the range and right now it will consolidate more. I'm only thinking about if we do get a breakout above 5007 and break down below 4995. Well, that's my only plan. Inside the range, I'm not taking any trades, no trades at all.
Yeah, with the 15-minute looking like this, man, I don't think it's a good idea. But it's better if the next 15, if it broke above these two candles, probably we have a little chance, but I think it's not still not worth it. Unless we got some nice closure on the 30 above here, then we can take some buys. We need the good closure like this one.
Yeah, we need good confirmation on 30 minutes.
Yeah,
We want to trade.
especially in these choppy ranges, I think we need like very good confirmation, and we should only take A plus setups.
Yeah. So we have 6 members here. Let me introduce you to some of the guys.
Okay.
You know Pawan?
Yes, I know Pawan, of course. He's very famous here.
Yeah, very famous. And second person, I think Syed Abbas.
Yes.
I know him. Like, I know him only yesterday.
Okay.
He messaged me about something. I told him, and I also told him that we do Asian too. So if you want to join, you can. And today he's here. Very disciplined guy.
Oh, nice.
Very hustling guy. And third person is Razor Blade. So he's one of my known person. I used to know him from December.
Yeah.
And he's into break-even phase. Very soon he's going to get profitable. And there are more. Well, boss maybe he is. I don't know about boss. Let me ask him about his Telegram ID. Then maybe.
Boss, I think he is our friend. Hello,
absolutely.
boss. Can you hear us?
What's up?
Hey man, how are you doing?
Doing good, man. Doing good. I almost got a little bit. I almost slept today,
Yeah.
so I woke up in like a little large. So I woke up when the 15 minutes. We were waiting for the 15 minutes to close above so that we can enter. But it seems like the 15 minutes has did us.
Yeah. It's
So
actually. So even if you wanted to enter on the 15 minutes, I believe you should have wait for like a break above, right? If you wanted to take this setup. So it never broke above the previous. Yeah.
So I think the data film has again feel bearish. So are we gonna be waiting for sales because maybe that buy was some kind of impasse? I mean, liquidity grab.
Yes. Yes. That's actually what I believe as well. It could be a liquidity grab to move down.
So there can only be one thing: waiting.
Yeah. That's exactly what we are on now.
Yeah.
Or it could be even so if we got this new 15-minute candle to close above now, I think it will be good to go. If this new 15-minute candle can close above something like this candle, it's not bad to go. Because we had this scenario previously right here. Look, so we got 15-minute closure above, then the same big red candle, this one you can see here, like this one is almost the same. And then when the next 15-minute candle closed above, price just went for about 100 pips. Look, right there. So price tends to repeat itself. That's what is price action is about. It's about price patterns and how price is repeating itself.
Yeah, it's only about pattern repeating itself.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see, maybe in the next 30 minutes we're gonna be getting a trade.
Yeah, hopefully. So in this book, I'm going to read something of this book while we are waiting, if you guys don't mind.
Yeah, no. Read, bro. We'll listen.
Alright, so it says about self-fulfillment. So most people have an innate drive to achieve their personal best, to develop their abilities to the fullest. This drive, along with the pleasure of the game and the lure of money, propels traders to challenge the markets. Good traders tend to be hardworking and shrewd men. I don't know what's shrewd mean here. Shrewd mean having or showing sharp powers of judgment. So they are open to new ideas. The goal of a good trader is not to make money. His goal is to trade well. That also should be our goal, guys, is not to make money but to trade well, and I think profits will come along the side.
Only the process.
Yes, only trust the process. Actually, profit is a side, it's like a side, it's a bonus reward of trusting the process. So
Yeah.
the goal of the good traders is to trade well. If he trades right, money follows, almost as an afterthought. Successful traders keep honing their skills. Trying to reach their personal best is more important to them than making money. Yeah. Because I think when we are thinking about money, it's very emotional thinking. Like if you guys remember, Raja was talking about this, when you can make two emotional decisions per day. That's why you should take 1 to 2 trades a day, and all money decisions is emotional decisions. That's why 95% of people, they don't make it in trading, because it's about money. So imagine if you are trading and you are not losing money, and if you win you are not gaining money. I think a lot of people will be very, very profitable.
Very profitable.
Yeah.
The graph will look like
Yeah.
95
It's like have you.
to maybe
Mm-hmm.
30-40% of people are not making money, and rest of 60% are making money.
Yes, definitely.
Nobody cares about money at all.
Also, the biggest example for this, have you ever traded on a demo account and you was killing it, like a win after win after win,
Bro,
but when you come to the live,
I
yeah,
have my demo account which from 5,000
yeah.
up to 18 million right now. Like
What?
I can show you, I have 18 million.
Man.
Landing profits.
Yeah,
Not
man.
even close. Landing profits.
That's crazy, man. That's insane. Yeah. So this explains it, yeah. So
Demo accounts are crazy.
yeah. So it says also, a successful New York trader said to me, If I become 0.5% smarter each year, I will be a genius by the time I die. His drive to improve himself is the hallmark of a successful trader. A professional trader from Texas invited me to his office and said, "If you sit across the table from me while I day trade, you won't be able to tell whether I'm down $2,000 or up $2,000. He has risen to a level where winning does not elate him and losing does not deflate him. He is so focused on trading right and improving his skills that money no longer influences his emotions." Wow, man, this is some wise words.
Yeah.
So I was actually in the past few years trying to achieve this, which when I win it doesn't affect me at all, and when I lose it doesn't affect me at all, and it's actually achievable. So like I was trading for some time, maybe a month or two, and trading wasn't affecting me at all. Like if I get a win I am not happy, and if I get a loss I am also not happy. But after some times it started getting into you, like it's not right away, it gets into you like maybe a month or 2 months in, and then you start deviating slowly, breaking small rules, and then it grows from there. So yeah.
Yeah, it takes time.
Exactly, it takes time. Alright, so I will continue with that. The trouble with self fulfillment is that many people have a self destructive streak. Accident prone drivers keep destroying their cars, and self destructive traders keep destroying their accounts. Markets offer unlimited opportunities for self sabotage as well as for self fulfillment. Acting out your internal conflicts in the marketplace is a very expensive proposition. Traders who are not at peace with themselves often try to fulfill their contradictory wishes in the market. If you do not know where you are going, you will end up somewhere you never wanted to be. That's a very well said. Okay, so I think there is some breakout on the Nasdaq.
Yeah, Nasdaq is breaking out of the zone. Let's see.
So you said you are trading Nasdaq, right?
Yeah,
So are you gonna take this, or you're just waiting for gold?
no, I'm not going to take this. I'm waiting for like FMC. Well,
Oh,
Nasdaq looks
yeah.
pretty great, but I had this one problem.
Uh-huh.
And the problem here is the same as gold, overextended. It's just one candle which is breaking out of the zone.
Yeah.
And well, I like not trade that much Nasdaq in Asian session and London session. If this setup was in New York, I'll definitely take this.
Yeah, it's not. It doesn't have that much volume in Asian session and London session, not like New York.
Yeah, I don't have. Yeah, like New York is present. I don't have that much trade in Nasdaq when it comes to Asian session
Yeah.
and London session.
So this is just like a paper trade. Let's just to test it if it's gonna work or not, and let's see if it's gonna work
Yeah,
or not. So
let's
it's
see.
not a real trade. Alright, so it looks like gold wants to move up. It just looks like. Mm,
So, what is your view of FOMC? Rate cuts
FOMC,
and
bro, my view of FOMC is that we should stay away from it. That's all. We should
definitely we should
stay away from it.
that's like golden advice. But
Mhm.
what about like fundamental and your experience? Like how price moves or after news, what to see, which tends to happen a lot of time.
Yeah. So it actually depends. I believe they could increase the rates this time because I read some news that Trump wants them to increase the rates, which will be really interesting. I think this will drive gold price down, further down, if they did
Okay,
increase the rates.
okay.
But this is just only opinion.
Don't you
It's
think like
not. Yeah.
okay, but like this is one of my like thought that
Mhm.
US had somewhere around 10 trillion or 30 trillion of debt,
Mhm.
but if the interest rates are going to high,
Yeah.
interest rates are going to get high, so the interest on the debt is also going to be high. So why the hell Trump wants to pay more debt?
I think because the American economy is collapsing already. So it's good for the
Okay,
economy, but not good for the debt,
okay, good for the
right?
economy, but not good for the debt.
Yeah.
Okay,
So their debt is increasing from I think the past 10 years. Like they
yeah.
didn't do anything about it for all that time. Why would they do something about it now? So
Yeah,
it's like
it's
imagine someone who has the power. Like for example, your older brother, you took some money from uh, sorry, your father took some money from you. He took a loan from you, okay? Like,
yeah,
and so when you ask him, you tell him, I need this money, pay me back. I need this money now. Can you pay me back? He will simply tell you, no, I cannot pay you back now. So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do to your father now? It,
nothing,
exactly.
nothing.
So this is what's happening with America now. Like no
Yeah,
one, no any country can do anything with them even if they didn't pay their loans back. So
yeah,
yeah.
man. Well, oil prices are also going up, so
Mhm.
I'm thinking that rate cuts is not possible. Increasing of interest rates are very possible in
Yes.
this scenario. Well, let's see today what happens.
Yeah. It looks like oil price is going a little bit down, but also the US dollar index is going down because of this war as well, the DXY.
Yeah,
So if this US dollar index is going down, I believe gold should be moving up.
yeah.
But the thing I don't understand is why is it, yeah, it should be moving down, not up. Why is it on an uptrend? Because like after the war, so the US economy have lost a lot of money, like around 11 trillion dollars just from the war itself. So I think it's not good for their economy.
Yeah, it's not good for the economy. Market is behaving little sketchy.
Yeah.
Gold has to go up in the war scenario, but it's going down. DYX index has to go down, but it's going up.
So
So
yeah,
it's
they say probably they are gonna hold the rate, I think.
yeah.
When it meets March.
Today is very crucial. Today,
Yes.
tomorrow maybe very crucial for the markets.
Yeah.
The price action is also very sharp from maybe last
Yeah, to cut the rates,
one or
sorry.
two weeks.
Not to increase the rates. Did
Yeah.
I say increase or cut the rates?
So we have this Nasdaq rate which is going up. The demo one which you
Yeah, let's check the Nasdaq.
demo only. Yeah, check it. It's going up without bottom week on 15 minute.
Yeah.
But good
Oh,
trade.
I think it's got, look, the previous 15 got a bottom week, so we would have entered on the break of the high of this. This is the blue line, so it looks like it
Yeah,
created a
whatever,
very
yeah.
nice bottom week on the 30. So if
Yeah.
it created on the 30, sometimes there is no need to look even at the 15.
Yeah, yeah. I think it's already going to one.
Yeah, cut the rate.
What's about GULX if this setup forms in a Yumio session?
Which one?
Like
Like Nasdaq, which already made
On which bear?
Nasdaq, NAS 100.
Yeah. Look, it's a simple
I'm asking,
simple breakout.
but no bottom big is there.
Ah,
So you
okay. So the trade was initially, I think, on the 30-minute time frame. So sometimes there will not be bottom wick on the lower time frames. So for example, if I'm taking this trade, look at this on the 4 hour, it looks very, very good trade to take. So if it looks like this on the 4 hour,
it looks
yeah, it looks so
That's
good, like
great.
it creates
That's
a
perfect.
support. But it's creating now. Wait, yeah. But look at this. So this candle didn't break previous, and this candle didn't break previous. So it looks like it wants to move to the upside. And also this candle have very small body. So sometimes I actually ignore the 15-minute time frames. It's only the 15, not the 30 or 1 hour, but only the 15. Sometimes I just totally ignore it and I take the trade on the 30-minute or the 1 hour. Because look, on the 30-minute, it's more better confirmation. Look at that, it's already moved 200 pips. So there we should have secured something and moved the stops to break even. Right there, exactly. We are already in break even. I actually have this in my notes. So you remember this, my notebook? I don't know, you cannot see, but I'm showing it on YouTube. So I have this notebook, and there is it's a part of my rule. So if the higher time frame looks good, I just ignore the 15-minute time frame.
Same man. I do the same, but
Yeah.
like I'm not that much experienced,
Mm-hmm.
so
Yeah.
I try to go with little risk or try to just avoid the trade taking on the live account. Just on the
Mm-hmm.
demo account, I took it for the experience.
Yeah.
Like this one, it's like very good trade, but
Mm-hmm.
we are not trading Nasdaq in Asian session, so that's why I didn't took this one. But
Yes.
on the demo one, I
Mm-hmm.
took this one with previous candle stops and will do journal this. Next time
Mm-hmm.
when I'll collect good amount of data for the
Yeah.
Nasdaq, I'll execute.
Yup.
That's one of the best to do.
Of
Collect the
course.
data, execute the setup, and
Mm-hmm.
rest of the thing is totally depend on the outcome.
Yeah.
But control the outcome, you can control the emotion.
So this
Then
is what I'm doing
you
here
have to
right now.
execute.
Is also collecting
Yeah,
data so we can trade
yeah,
Nasdaq in the future whenever gold is not
yeah,
moving. So we can trade Nasdaq if it has like good setups
yeah,
like this.
yeah. So, Pawan, brother, let me tell you this one thing that sometimes there will be no bottom wick, and with experience you'll get to know when there is no bottom wick. And I'll tell you like 2 to 3 scenarios there will be no bottom wicks. So when there will be previous, like we have 30 minutes to 15, we have like 30 minutes. In 30 minutes we have 2 15-minute candle. So the first half of the minute candle has like a steeper bottom wick. So there are very high chances for the second 15-minute candle to have a very little to no bottom wick or no bottom wick at all. So at that case scenario, you can execute with like stops around the previous candle or middle of the range, wherever you want to, where you think your stops are safe and logical.
Yeah,
And
that's also
when we have
good.
like, yeah, tell me.
Hmm, That's a good, very good.
Yeah, and when we have like impulse entry candle, as you can see, A plus setups. Do you know A plus setups?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So
Like
when
this
we
one.
have like A plus setups, it's very high probability that we'll get very little bottom wick or top wick. So on that setup, you had to execute.
Okay.
Like we can show you the example. Let me show you a very good example. Jayad bhai,
Yeah, please.
Okay.
yeah, Jayad bhai,
Yes.
can we go for yesterday around? Let me check again. On gold, yesterday 21:30. No, that's not a good trade at all. Yeah, we can look for 16th of March for the
16th of
NY session. Pre-NY, 16th of
pre-NY.
March.
Wait. 16th of March pre-NY. It must be right there, something like here. So somewhere here.
Yeah, somewhere here. Like Pawan, as you can see, no, not here. Like from where we started to go up, the red candle, the impulse entry candle, salary one.
Ah, here. This one or
No. Little more left.
here.
This one, this one.
A plus.
Yeah, it's A plus, but since we don't have clean range on the left side, that's why we don't execute on this setup.
But with volume, with
Yeah,
experience, probably you can.
yeah. With volume and with experience, you can. So in this setup only, you will get like very little bottom wick or no bottom wick. So in setup,
Yeah.
I do execute without bottom wicks or with very little bottom wick.
Yeah, very. I also very rarely that I take setups without bottom wick. It just depends on the
It's my rule.
situation.
Yeah,
I think there was one trade here without a bottom wick. Let me check. So for example, this one, I think it was without a top wick. This one right there. But look, it was actually a breakout and it was moving with volume. Oh,
yeah,
I think it just triggered me in. Right there. No, this without a top wick with also here. I think this is was also without a. It was very
This
small,
one is like one of
very
the
small
best trade
bottom wick.
to
Yeah,
Asian session. One of the best trade. That setup.
yep. But it didn't create that big bottom wick. You know, it's very small bottom wick.
Yeah. But this was like correct at Asian Open, na? That's why. But usually we'll
Yeah,
get like very
at 6.
little bottom wick or top wick
Also here,
at
look
the
at this
Open.
one.
And now
So
it's
this
really
one
why.
without a bottom wick as well.
Yeah, this is tough for me. I'll not take this one. But
Yeah.
it's a good trade.
But I don't know why did I take this one. It looks not good now. After I go back to it, it does not look that good.
Okay.
Oh, maybe because of the higher time frame was looking very good. No, no, it's not this one.
Yeah, because of the higher time frame.
Yeah, maybe I was just watching the 30-minute or something. Oh, it was. We got a closure actually on the 1 hour right here. 12th of March at 6. Let's check the 1 hour. Nine, 10. Twelfth of March. Yep, right here. Oh, so what was this? I think it was a very strong support area, and this candle, it didn't broke the previous. So oh yeah, so I actually seen this many times. It happened many times. I think I should name it something.
Yeah, you should name it something.
Yeah,
I also
I
had seen this one.
I was
When
creating
when
like
I
doing
yeah,
my own setups and writing them down in my notebook, because when this happens the price moves like very fast, and it's almost every time it does. When this higher time frame does not break the previous one or close like this small, and whenever it breaks the low and re-break the high, it tends to just move to the upside. It doesn't look back.
yeah.
Oh, okay, so let's check the Nasdaq. I think it's it's almost at take profit. Look at that. Wow.
Yeah, nice volume.
Yes,
Out of
bro.
nowhere, one got
This
my
is
Nasdaq.
this is very unexpectedly why there is nice volume on Nasdaq at the moment. I have no idea.
Yeah,
It's moving very well, actually, better than gold.
yeah, better than gold. Gold is into full consolidation range.
Mm-hmm. So I think I'm gonna just wait for maybe 15 or another 30 minutes candle. If it closes below, I'm going to take it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna call it a day, because it can just keep consolidating the whole day.
Yeah,
It's very possible for gold to just keep consolidating the whole day.
yeah, today it's possible due to FOMC.
Yeah. Actually, the volume comes after FOMC. So, from my experience, there is high volume comes after FOMC. The next day in the morning, in the agent session, we will see a lot of volume.
So tomorrow is going to be crazy day. Wow.
Yeah, definitely. So, FOMC is today? Oh, it's today at 12.
Today, FMC.
Yeah, today it is. Today at 12 a.m. So there is someone who have a dog. I think it's a little bit loud. So it looks like probably gold will be consolidating now for some time, and yeah, we have just to wait. Looks like it's gonna break above soon. So if you guys enjoyed the live stream, just leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the live stream. It's good for the business. Yeah.
Yeah, we are enjoying the live stream, bro. Got knowledge. Well, since it's my dog, and I think I might have to leave,
Mm-hmm.
I'm calling it a day for the. No, sorry, calling it a session.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'll be once again in the setup for London or pre-London.
Yeah.
So, see you, brother. Pawan, Sajid, and
Alright.
uh,
Take care, Alex.
okay, see you in the London session or pre-London session, brother.
Yes, see you, bro. Take care.
Okay.
Alright.
Take care, brother. You too.
Bye bye.
Nice knowledge.
Yes, thank you,
Good.
bro. Anytime.
Stay.
Anytime. I think I will also leave soon, like maybe after this 15 minutes, I will just call it a session as well.
Okay, okay.
Alright, man.
Okay, brother.
Alright. See you.
Okay, see you tomorrow, brother.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye. So guys, I believe I'm just going to wait for this 15-minute candle. If we got a closure above, looks like I'm going to enter this, but if not, then I will just call it a session for today. This is also the second break of the high. It's not the first, so it's looking actually good to go. So if we get a closure above now, it's looking good to go. Just in about another 10-15 minutes. Wow, this Nasdaq trade went very well. That's a really good trade. Can we get the same on gold? This is the question now. Can we get the same on gold? I think we are almost approaching some volume time here. You can see we have volume at 7 and also at 7:30. So probably, yeah, I will just wait till 7:15 or 7:30, and yeah. Okay, this looks very good. It's looking good now to go. Yeah, just need the closure. All what we need is the closure for the price to move to the upside, and I think we can enter from there. Wow, this looks good. This looks good, and we can see that there is some volume now. we have got some volume going on. One hour just filled this week. So can we move to the upside? Wow, hit the profit exactly 1 to 1.6. About almost 400 pips. Okay, so this is setting up perfectly now. Just waiting for the closure in about 5 minutes. We are gonna get a closure in about 5 minutes. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour will close in about 50 minutes. Hopefully it will close above this area right there for about 50 pips. One hour. Just consolidating for now. Alright, so there is just 5 minutes left, but there is not much clean range to the left hand side. Is that okay? So actually we can see here that on the 15 you are right, there is not much clean range to the left hand side, but on the 30 minute we have, yeah, I think it's already moved. We needed to leave top wick, so I'm not just gonna enter like this randomly, but with a good setup. I wanted to leave a nice top wick, and then probably we could enter that setup, because you can see here, look, previously when price created support above this area, it went for about like 100 pips. This is what I am anticipating. And with the volume now is coming from Asian session. Soon we will have volume in like 15 minutes. We will have even more volumes coming from Asian session. We possibly can see this just going up. Look, like here previously, here also. So notice this, look at this trade, it moved exactly at the same time. This was 7:15. Look at the time right down here. It moved exactly at the same time. So I believe we can say the same move repeating itself, because that's what does the charts do, they repeat itself. So here when it broke, it didn't have a clean range to the left hand side. Look, had 40 pips, but it just kept going up. So yeah, and the second thing is we will manage our trade a little bit aggressively. So whenever it is close to this rejection area, we are going to put our stops to break even and secure something whenever it is close to the rejection area. So it depends on your experience, and yeah, it depends on your experience. Yeah, but if this can close on the 15-minute like this, a little bit lower, yeah, like this exactly, I'm going to enter this buy. Going to enter the buy. Stops should be below the current candle for right about here, maybe 35, a little bit lower here. This is the full target, it's already 122. Should be, we should be good to go. We should be good to go. Look, you can see here that it's volume time, and yeah, it's just volume time. So there's a high probability this could move to the upside, and it just created a wick exactly how I wanted it to. Look, about 50 pip top wick. So we will be anticipating it to fill this wick and put our stops to break even by that time. So I think I'm going to be risking around, this is less than 1%. Yeah, so I just want to see a bottom wick being formed, a bottom wick, and then we will enter on the reflip. Look, 40 pips for the wick fill, and then we can go break even from there. We will have aggressive risk management. Just we need to see a little bottom wick first. If we didn't see a bottom wick, then there is no trade. So it's just, wow, look, it just moved up now. It just moved up. I don't think we can enter it like this. We was waiting for a bottom wick to be formed, but we didn't get any. We didn't get any bottom wick. Hello, Kennedy. Kennedy? Can you hear me? I think your mic have some issues. Yeah, well, so looks like it's not going to move. Yes, bro, I think it's a good idea to just call it a day for today, and I mean call it a session and wait for London, or even better, wait for New York. Yeah, because there is no setup. So I don't think there is a possible way to enter it right here. unless this 30-minute candle closed like this. So yeah, just waiting now for this candle closure. So now it created a little bottom wick, but I cannot take that. Just simply I cannot take that. Wow, wow, look at this move. Look at this move right there, guys. Look at this move right there. Interesting. So this is what we were just anticipating for this session, but if it didn't, if you don't get a closure like this, I'm just gonna call it a day right away. So I want to see this wick like this. And with I want to see this candle close like this. So this is the only another way to enter the trade, otherwise we just call it a day in about 8 minutes. In about 8 minutes we will call it a day. So I will keep reading this book, Fantasy versus Reality. Yep, I think I have read this. The brain myth. Losers who suffer from the brain myth will tell you I lost because I didn't know trading secrets. Many losers have a fantasy that successful traders have some secret knowledge. This fantasy helps support a lively market. In advisory services and ready-made trading systems, a demoralized trader often wipes out his checkbook and goes shopping for trading secrets. He may send money to a charlatan for 3000 bucks, can't miss. Backtested computerized trading system. When that self-destructs, he sends another check for a scientific manual. That explains how he can stop being a loser and become a true insider and a winner by contemplating the moon, Saturn, or even Uranus. The losers do not know that trading is intellectually fairly simple. It is less demanding than taking out an appendix, building a bridge, or trying a case in court. Good traders are often shrewd, but few of them are intellectuals. Many have not been to college, and some have even dropped out of high school. Intelligent and hard-working people who have succeeded in their careers often feel drawn to trading. The average client of a brokerage firm is 50 years old, is married, and has a college education. Many have postgraduate degrees or their own businesses. The two largest professionals groups among the traders are engineers and farmers. Why do these intelligent and hardworking people fail in trading? What separates winners from losers is neither intelligence nor secrets, and certainly not education. Yeah. So I believe we have to wait, wait for this candle closure, and then we will be good to go. Just 5 minutes left. It looks like it's closing in our favor, just like how I expected it to close. Let's just wait a little bit, just a little bit more. Almost 3-4 minutes is left. Okay, so there's about 2 minutes left on the candle to close. Only 2 minutes left. So I just want to see a retest to this line right about here, like this little retest, and that's all. Or even lower, it's not bad, till here for example. Yeah, so just waiting now. I believe gold is just waiting for some volume to move up, waiting for the volume from the Asian session open. Alright, 1 minute left on the clock. Let's check it on Tradeovit. $33 seconds. 33 seconds on the clock. Let's see. And it have just closed without a bottom wick, and this is I think not the best closure, but it doesn't look bad actually to fill this wick if it can break the high. Little bit tough decision now. So it clearly closed below the range, and I think, let's check here, yeah, just 1 pip below the range. But on the 30-minute it looks quite good. On the 30-minute it looks like it can fill this week for about 86 pips. So I want to see a break of the high, re-break of the low, and then another break of the high. If not, then I think it's better to just call it a day here. So it just looks good on the 30. 1 hour is not bad, 4 hour is good because it created a support. Yeah. So it closed just like this one right here and created a nice bottom wick. Okay, so it's kinda moving now. On the 15-minute doesn't look the best, to be honest with you. So, but it looks like it created a bottom wick, a top wick. Now it's going to, if it rebroke, I believe we can anticipate this. Yep, just risking about 0.5% on the break of this high based on the 30-minute candle closure. Let's see.
Stop filled.
I believe we got slipped right there. We got slipped, guys, for about another 10 pips again. We got slipped. So yeah, we are risking about less than almost 0.5%. I'm just aiming for the weak fill. This is part of my trading plan, that's why I took the trade. And look here to the left hand side, this was actually my plan, to enter after the closure of this candle like this with a huge top wick. So let's see how will it go. I have already accepted the risk. I'm risking about 0.6%, which I totally have accepted this loss. Worst case scenario, I have accepted it and I don't have any problem with it. Yep, so it closed like this. It's kind of similar like what I was anticipating. So now the hard part is done. Now is the easy part, which is wait for this trade outcome. Let me journal this real quick. It was 7:30 something. What was the time? Orders filled.
Stop filled.
Yep, so I got stopped out right there for about 0.5%. I'm just going to journal this trade, and that was it for today. I mean, for this Asian session, I believe I will come back later on. It was at 7:33 almost. 7:33. So I was bullish and I took a buy. It was breakout, Asian breakout on the 30-minute, break current high, wick fill. Target was about 1 to 2, but it actually hit our stop loss. Yep, so I think that was it for today. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to journal this real quick and call it a session right there. Just gonna take a final screenshot. Yep, what a trade. What a trade. So I'm actually not mad or anything, because this is a really good setup with a week to fill. So most of the days this would work out perfectly. I lost 0.6% loss, and yep, I think that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all have a great and an amazing day. Adios.